up, everybody? This your boy HVAC Bone. I'm here under a crawl space. The unit is way over there. I don't think you can see it right now, but it's my light giving me the halfway mark. The code giving me pressure switch is bad. So let's find out and see what's going on. I'll get back with you soon. Everybody, so we do have a bad pressure switch. What I did was jumped it out and the igniter or the glow coil came on. So that's how I know the pressure switch bad. Pressure switch is always open and then it got to suck closed for the igniter to come on. And I jumped that part with a fuse just to see would it come on, and it did. So let's get ready to put this brand new one in. What I got here is a universal. I'm gonna put this bad boy in and get some heat going. Let's go. Let's test it. All right, so I made adjustments to the pressure switch. Now we got some heat. We blowing. We down here. It's gonna be another satisfied customer. Going through the order of operations, make sure everything come on, make sure everything look good. Let's get it. HVAC Bone. Y'all call me today. I'll link my number down right here. Let's go.